Hello everyone, welcome back to Lexi's World. So today I'm gonna make a quick recipe. I'm gonna use oats. I'm supposed to use oats flour, but I'm gonna use oats and I'm just gonna blend my oats and make it into flour, okay? I'm gonna use peanut butter. I'm gonna make peanut butter cookies, alright? Peanut butter cookies. Of course, I'm gonna use some maple syrup. This is also considered healthy, alright? It's a healthy snack. So let's get started. Before we get started, please like, share, and subscribe on my channel. Alright, let's get started. I'm gonna preheat my oven and let it start heating up in the meantime, alright? So I have my oven preheating at 350. I'm gonna use my KitchenAid today because I can't find my hand blender. So I'm gonna use my KitchenAid bowl. The first thing I'm gonna do, I have 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm gonna put my peanut butter over. If you don't have a KitchenAid, you can use a hand blender. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use your hands. Melt your peanut butter a bit in the microwave, okay? So it makes it a little bit loose for you. So I have a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I'm just gonna add all my ingredients here and then just put it in mixing them in my KitchenAid, okay? I'm gonna use a teaspoon of the vanilla extra. I use the essence, yeah. So what I did basically to get my flour, I just got the Quake oats. I got the oats and I just blend it in my blender cup and make some flour. So I have the 3/4 cups of flour here, and that's like it, all right? I use like 4 ingredients. I use the oats, flour, the peanut butter, I use the maple syrup, a tip of the vanilla essence, all right? I use this smooth peanut butter. If you want, you can add some peanuts in here, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna blend it for a bit. To my mixing cup, I'm just gonna close my blender and I'm gonna mix it for a bit. So that's it. So here's my peanut butter. I scrape it off. So I'm gonna use this container. So you see it's kind of doughy. So see how it came out really easy? It's kind of doughy here. Alright. So here's my dough for my cookies, alright? I didn't put any egg or anything in this. It's just the peanut butter, oats flour I used. I didn't use no baking powder, nothing, alright? Of course it's high in protein. So I have my tray. So I'm gonna use a spoon to scoop it, but if you have a cookie scoop, it's good, alright? So I just use my spoon and I scoop it out a bit. I'm supposed to get 12, but I only got 3, 6, 9, 11. So I find that's a good thing about if you're using the cookie scoop, okay? So here's my cookies. See, all my cookies. So I'm gonna bake my cookies now. It's gonna bake for like 10-15 minutes. I'll just keep an eye on it. A nice golden chewy taste, all right? So let's put it in the oven and I'll time it and I'll be right back. Okay, so my cookies are finished. They're still a little bit hot. You're technically supposed to wait until it's cool and then take them out, okay? So they're still in the tray, so they're not fully cool, okay? So there's my cookies, all done. So I love peanut butter cookies. It's high in protein and I don't even have to go to Tim Hortons for their cookies because at least I know my cookies are made with the oats and peanut butter. It don't have any sugar or anything in it. All right. So this is a really good snack, even for kids, and you cannot even tell that it don't have any sugar or regular flour in it. So try this recipe and let me know how it is, alright? Thank you for watching my channel. Please do not forget to always watch my videos, subscribe, and share the videos. Thank you all for supporting me. Bye.